Alright, so I heard about a tropical storm that's on the way tomorrow by the name of Faye. And from what I'm hearing, it could be almost as bad as Sandy, with winds possibly as high as 60 to 70 miles an hour, and the highest wind gusts, possibility of 5 to 8 inches of rain in some areas, and even tornadoes in some areas. Which it seems like New Jersey, especially Ocean County, New Jersey, is going to get the absolute worst of the storm based on where it's headed. Because it looks like it's going to make landfall near Delaware, but the worst of the storm is to the east of the eye, which will put it right over Ocean County. So yeah, I'll probably keep an update tomorrow sometime.